playing Squid Game from Roblox with my mommy.
Saan ka?
I'm here.
Yeah,
And
14?
yeah, 14.
Oh.
And she doesn't know how to play Squid Game. That's because she doesn't know. My mommy doesn't know she don't know how to play Squid Game.
Saan ka na nga?
I'm here. Can't you see I'm here? Wait.
Nakikipaglaro na nga ako sa'yo. Nasaan ka nga eh?
Mommy! Ano ba, mommy? Ay! Ala!
Where are you?
Wait, why you said where are you? I'm here!
Sabihin niyo kasi, nandito ako sa may elevator.
Oh, so? Where can... Oh, we will just wait?
Yeah, just wait.
Oh. You are together
Oh my gosh, don't go to the guard! Get out at the guard!
Oh, I get out.
You're still near at them.
Oh. I'm out na.
You're at... Why are you... Get inside! Get in!
In the elevator?
No, don't go in the elevator. You need to just... Uy, stay!
Saan mo ako? Ah, Jen.
What is the... I told
Okay.
you she doesn't know how to play Squid Game. Guys, so I'm trying... It's my mom's first time to play Squid Game, and then she doesn't know how to play it.
Oh, yan na. Oh, what should I do now?
You should... Okay, I'm with you. I'm with you.
You're the one who's wearing red, oh. So, where are we going?
Just press yes.
Saan? Yes.
No, just X that thing. Okay, so then I'm teaching my mommy to play Squid Game.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Mommy, wait, go to the elevator. Why are you not following me? What's wrong with you? You're not following me?
Yan na, I'm following you.
Why you press the wrong? My gosh, do not go there. Don't go there. Hello, this is the partner. How can I help you? Do you want to go to McDonald's? If you want to go to McDonald's, you have 30 dirhams. Then you have to pay 30 dirhams if you want McDonald's.
Bagal naman.
You need to survive at the Squid Game, dog.
Can I just press this one?
No, we cannot just press this one, mommy. Ano ba, mommy?
Saan ka na? Nasaan ka na?
I'm here.
Saan?
I'm here. Why you don't know how to play skate?
Saan ka
Jamie, mommy, let's go.
na? Dito.
Mommy, at the elevator. What's wrong with you? Why you're so noobie at this game?
Okay.
Oh, you're ready now here. Okay, so they were
You
playing.
follow the arrow?
No, it's already now here. Get inside, mommy. Mommy, what are you? Let's go. 6, 7. What are you playing? Mommy, ano ba?
Saan na tayo?
Allah.
Nasaan ako?
Jamie, get it. No, don't go to the elevator.
Saan?
Ano ba?
Ah, dyan.
What's wrong with you? Why you cannot play that game? What's wrong with you? You cannot play this game? Go, go, go. Nahulog! Ano ba? Ano ba?
Oh, patay na ako?
No. Jay, mommy. Why did you... Stop it! Don't
Oh no,
Jen, why you? What's wrong with you? Yes. Let's rejoin. Okay, I told you not to play this. I told you not to play this. I told you not to play this. Today, we're